make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell.
Hey boys and girls, would you like to see me do a speed paint drawing on my iPad of the Mixed-Up Chameleon? You would? Fantastic! But I need you to watch the whole video. And if you do, at the end, we might be able to see the chameleon finally be able to catch the fly. But in order for you to do that, you gotta just watch.
Well, I'm starting with my background first. I'm going to lay in a tannish color for sand and some blue, very light blue for the sky. Then I quickly scribbled in some clouds and some bushes in the front before I even start to work on my chameleon. I want to have everything just right. Putting a little texture in there so it doesn't look so flat right now. I'm using my touch-up brush just to put in a little darks around some of the areas, and then I put some highlights in around the bushes just before I start to add the chameleon. The first thing I'm going to do is do a happy face for the top of the chameleon's head, then 2 curving lines for his face. Looks like a mask. Now I'm going to draw a very large number 6. I'm going to curve it all the way around, and then I'm going to bring it right back all the way to his face. And if you look at the whole thing, it looks like a 6. Now I'm going to put 2 circles in for his eyes, a triangle shape for his mouth, curve it just a little bit. Now I'm going to put 8 lines in for his legs, and then I'm going to do 2 zigzag lines on both sides for the feet. I'm breaking up his body with straight lines and adding colors because he's the mixed-up chameleon. And with him, you can see all his colors at the same time. I'm going to put him on a little tree branch because most of the times when I see pictures of chameleons, they're on branches. And I'm going to add a little texture to his body so he really has that reptilian effect. Working on his tongue, making 2 parallel lines, and then I'm going to make a curving line at the end. We're going to try to play with a little animation with his tongue. Then I'm going to extend the trees just a little bit longer. And now we're going to look and see whether or not the chameleon can catch the fly. He's trying to catch the fly. You see the fly? Is he going to get it? Is he going to get it? Oh, he's going to get it. I think, yes. Yes. He got the fly. Look in his mouth. He got the fly.
I'm so happy to be chameleon. I'm so happy to be the mixed-up chameleon. I can change colors like 1, 2, 3. I can change colors like 1, 2, 3. I found it's better to just be me. Chameleon. I'm the mixed-up chameleon. And unlike other animals I see, I'm so happy to be chameleon. I'm so happy to be chameleon. The mixed-up chameleon. I can change colors like 1, 2, 3. I found it's better to just be me, and not like other animals I see. Chameleon. The mixed-up chameleon. I'm so happy to be chameleon. I can change colors like 1, 2, 3. I can change colors like 1, 2, 3. I'm so happy to be chameleon. The mixed-up chameleon. I can change colors like 1, 2, 3. I found it's better to just be me, and not like other animals I see. Chameleon. The mixed-up chameleon. Mixed-up chameleon.